Hi, it's Tim. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection with the vintage air serpentine pulley kit for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft installed. We installed the AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct front sump oil pan for the 66 Mustang. Oil pressure extension installed for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Installed the roller rocker arms, all fully adjusted and set. It's real nice ball milled polished valve covers with a matching air cleaner with a washable filter. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I'll set the ignition timing for you. That'll be all set. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system, all the menu screen settings will be set for you. It'll be plug and play, ready to go. I have the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. ARP flex plate bolts all installed. Manifold vacuum fitting installed on the back of the intake manifold, ready vacuum hookups for the customer. We have the vintage air serpentine pulley kit on here. Customer wanted. Self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. Alternators on there. High flow reverse rotation water pump. A special billet timing cover with the vintage air pulley kit. AC compressor. All the AC lines are installed. Power steering pump. So again, the engine is fully tested, drop-in ready, complete custom built, the 66 Mustang. Thanks for watching.